Today I'm going to talk about the differences between lists and HubSpot. You have static and then active. So it's important to know exactly what you're trying to do with these lists because they operate very differently. Static lists are more like a snapshot in time. For example, your company went to a trade show and they got the contact information of everyone that stopped by the booth. You said to each participant that they'd receive some kind of offer after the show for stopping by. You would then upload this list into HubSpot and send out that email. An active list is kind of like a machine running in the background, constantly checking for specific properties that you choose. I'm going to create some test lists and show you now. All right, so you'll end up here, and then you will click Add Filter. So you have lots of different properties to choose from. Let's say we only want to show leads. Go to Lifecycle Stage, click Lead, and then HubSpot will generate a preview for you off to the side so you have an idea of how many contacts you currently have in your database that meet that criteria. You can also filter it out to form submissions. There you go, we have 58 contacts that have done that currently in our database. Because this is active, as contacts are updated, they will automatically move over to this list if they meet your criteria. This is really useful to use for nurturing workflows that you have built. Let's say, as an example, that a lead submits a form for an SEO ebook that you're offering. Then that criteria will be met, and you can enroll them in a workflow to receive several emails spaced out over a couple days. That gives more information covering backlinks, referring domains, keywords, and more. Or maybe you'd want to filter it out by if they looked at a certain page view on your site. I'll show you how. I used our website, and you can see the contacts that have looked at that specific page right there. But let's say, for an example, let's say a prospect looks at a pillar page you're offering of one of your products. You could send more emails to them about the specific product they were looking at, showcasing the value and keeping your brand top of mind. Now, if you want your active list to be accurate, you really need to make sure you're importing lists properly and there aren't any third-party extensions that could be changing the data records for each contact because you forgot to turn off a certain setting. And there you go. There is a basic framework of how to use active lists and static. Highly recommend just coming through here and seeing how you would want to segment all of your contacts based on the criteria you're looking for and what you really want to do with those contacts.